for a conservative force. So they ask him to find the, if initial potential energy at the origin is given as a 20, they ask him to find what, tell me now here, find the potential energy at the given point. Yes. Now, this is what type of force is conservative force or non-conservative force? Conservative force. What is the relation between the conservative force and potential work done and potential energy? So the work done by the conservative force, which is equal to what, tell me now, minus of delta U. So we should find the work done first. Right. So first we'll find the work done now here. So they given force given now. So first we'll find the work done. So this is work done by the conservative force, which is equal to work done formula. Integral of what you tell me now? F bar dot ds. Okay. So now look at now here. So here we should find the initial point is origin, final point is 1, 2, 3. So tell me now work done by the conservative force, that is integral of F means what, tell me now, minus 4x into I cap plus 10 into j cap plus 20 into k cap dot with what I can say now here, ds I will write now, x variation, y variation, z variation also na. So we'll write it as what, tell me? So we should write all variations we should consider na. So this is dy into j cap plus dz into k cap. So you can find this thing. Find this work done first. So this work done by the conservative force, which is equal to integral of. So this is minus 4x into dx plus integral of what, tell me now, 10 into dy plus 20 into dz. 20 in integral of 20 into dz. Right. So here we have x limits to be taken na? And what the x limits are? 0 to 1. Here y limits 0 to 2. Z limits 0 to 3. Now integrate now. So will come the work done. So which is equal to minus 4 into x squared by 2. Limits are 0 to 1. Now this is 10 into y. Limits 0 to 2 plus 20 into z. Limits 0 to 3. So tell me now 2 2's. So work done by the conservative force, that is minus 2 into 1 minus 0 plus 10 into 2 minus 0 plus 20 into 3 minus 0. So tell me now work done by the conservative force is a minus 2 plus 20 plus what, tell me now, 60. So how much this value? 80 minus 2. 78. This is the work done by the conservative force. We got the work done, we got now here. This work done relation we can use in this formula. Now you tell me now work done which will be equal to 78 equal to what, tell me now here, minus of change in potential energy U2 minus U1. Here 1 is the initial point, 2 is the final point. Initial point is given as how much, you tell me? Initial point potential energy given na. How much? That is origin given. So that is 78 equal to minus of U2 we need to get minus of 20. So that is 78 equal to minus U2 plus 20. So that is how much is U2 value? Minus 58 joules.